$100 gift card is Taylor Hopkins.
And the winners of the $100 gift cards are Theo Cohen,
Roma Miranda, Alana Neoprint.
Congratulations!
Yay!
Winner of a $100 gift card is Lupkin, Sydney Lupkin. Congrats!
And the winner of a $250 gift card is Brody Ast.
And the winners of the $250 gift cards are Ryder Karp and
Abigail Chustek.
congratulations!
And the winner of a $250 gift card is Roma Miranda. Woo!
And the winner of the $250 gift card is Kylie Chustek.
And the winner of a $500 gift card is Chase Claren. And the winner of a $500 gift card is
Samantha DeJohn.
And the winner of a $500 gift card is Eliana Biller. Mazel tov.
And the winners of $500 gift cards are Jonah Glass and Grace Pizzella.
And the winner for a free week of camp is Abby Dankinson.
And the winner of a free week of camp is Aaron Goldman. Woohoo!
And the winner of a free week of camp is Piper Moskowitz.
And the winner of a free week of camp is
Ella Schenker.
And the winner of a free week of camp is Lisa Goldberg.
Winning one free membership is Lila Gilman. Congratulations. And winning another free membership is Ella Schenker. Congratulations.
And the next winner of a free membership is the Givoni family.
And the winner of a free year of membership is, if I could read the piece of paper without my glasses, Rachel Enton.
And the winner of a free membership at the JCC is